Hello everyone. Let's dive into the AV Access KVM switch dock, a device designed to streamline your workspace if you're juggling multiple computers. This KVM switch aims to be more than just a simple switcher. It's a full-fledged docking station. The key feature here is its ability to manage two desktop PCs and a laptop, displaying content on two monitors simultaneously. The setup includes a USB-C input specifically for laptops, leveraging MST multi-stream transport to drive dual displays. For desktop computers and even game consoles, it offers 4 HDMI input ports, configured as two groups. Switching between these sources is designed to be seamless, allowing users to transition between work and play without constant cable swapping. Video quality is a major selling point. Compliant with HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4a via USB-C, and HDCP 2.2, the KVM switch supports resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz with 4:4:4 chroma subsampling. Gamers will appreciate the support for high refresh rates, including 1080p at 240 Hz, 165 Hz, 144 Hz, and 120 Hz, as well as 2560 by 1440 at 144 Hz and 120 Hz. This ensures a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Beyond video, the AV Access KVM switch dock functions as a USB hub, offering USB 3.0 ports for connecting peripherals like keyboards, mice, and external storage. The USB-C port also delivers 65W of power, capable of charging most laptops, which reduces desk clutter by eliminating the need for a separate power adapter. The device itself is constructed from metal, giving it a solid and premium feel. It's designed for surface mounting, and its dimensions are approximately 10.61 by 5.61 by 1.08 inches. Switching between devices can be done via button, hotkey, or IR remote, offering flexibility in how you control your setup. The inclusion of EDD, Extended Display Identification Data, emulation ensures optimal display compatibility and prevents display issues when switching between sources. In summary, the AV Access KVM switch dock is a versatile tool for anyone who needs to manage multiple computers and displays. Its high resolution and refresh rate support, combined with its docking station functionality, make it a strong contender for simplifying complex workspaces.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.